Watch
Yo,
out,
this
box
shit
in
is
there.
so ghetto.
I'll watch this way, but I'm in the hole.
Oh, I love you.
Oh, my ear.
I can get them.
Oh. Okay, go tell your girlfriend, I promise. Oh, what? Show them, Max, show them.
But they're over there though.
Show them until they're dead.
Oh,
Let them come to us.
I can see them. And now they have a piece of wood. Now they're moving with the piece of wood. And they're in like the thickest of shit.
Alright, when you kill them, take the shield.
They're all the way out there. We can't leave. They're just chilling there. Fuck the sniper. He can't hit shit anyway.
I don't want to die. I know, but I'm just saying.
Guys, wait, don't the ladies come through here?
Go there.
They're moving right up here. They can't get I'm about to unload right now. Listen. Oh my god. Is there enough over here? Jump in. Come on. They're moving. I don't want to get my face. I'm going to own the sniper's shooting back. Oh my god. There's some epic shit in here. Yeah, that's right. Oh, he's killing it. I can't do it. I don't know. Yeah, what's up? I know, but I can't see it. You gotta tell me to get close, right? He's shooting close there. I can't do anything. Because of the bush.
He's shooting.
Yeah, he's shooting the face of it. So let's see if we look. Oh, 5 more. Oh, there's something I'm doing this too. I want to get medic, man. Because if I'm outside on them. My feet are getting numb. I can see his eyes, it's right there with the sunglasses. I can't get it.
Shoot through the fence. Fence
It
is.
doesn't work.
If it was that close, it would definitely.
I might get up there. Both of them.
Over here.
Two snipers.
There's a county mouse to go in the wall of her. Let's stick in the shinty ball. Colours, pint of cabbage crap. The I don't wanna be paddy trap. We'll call it an Irish pub. Well, I'll be fucked to swear upon the holy book. The only crack you get is a slap in the ear. Well, I'll be fucked. I'll off and burst your filthy mug. If you draw one more shot, I'll give me beer. A beer, a dollar, we'll make him wear a shirt and colour. We'll fly a bloody tricolour and call it an Irish pub. The Jaeger bombs and double shots. The underagers think it's us. We'll spike the drinks and pay the cost. We got us an Irish pub. The quick one and the filthy dog. The pattern glass across the lug of the lady. Oh, the dirty dog. We got us an Irish pub. It's over to me. We'll skip along the avenue. Who the hell is running through? We got us an Irish pub. Well, I'll be fucked to swear upon the holy book. The only crack you get is a slap in the ear. Well, I'll be fucked. I'll off and burst your filthy mug. If you draw one more shot, I'll give me beer. Plasma screens, neon lights, carnies on and alky-nights. The bouncers, they can pick the fights. We'll call it an Irish pub. Plastic cups are polished for all. We'll hold the blood right out the door. And let the knock was back for more. We got us an Irish pub. Well, I'll be fucked. It's laid upon the holy book. The only crack you'll get is a slap in the ear. Well, I'll be fucked. I'll off and burst your filthy mug. If you draw one more shot, I'll give me beer. In the morning, Gary on, kiss me, I'm Irish. Molly Malone, a bunch of slant, you punk my home. We got us an Irish pub. Despite the punches, trick the willows, strike me up. The rakes are mellow, the liffy never runs so shallow. We got us an Irish pub. Well, oh, big fuck, to swear upon the holy book. The only crack you get is a slap in the ear. Well, oh, big fuck, to lock and burst your filthy mug. If you draw one more shot, or give me beer.
Mark's still over there?
I can't tell. But I'm gonna get over here more.
You see him anywhere, yo? I feel like I know. Ready? You see him anywhere? Good.
You hit?
No, I had myself. My own gun.
You see him?
No, well, yes, I did see him, but I don't know where he's at now. He's somewhere in the middle of the field, like roughly.
Is he there?
I'm on my last 2 mags, so I can't do shit. Alright, I definitely want to be with him.
Will you stop shooting at me?
Dude, are you dead?
Stay away anyway. Well, good. Too bad, I don't have anything.
Come on! Use me as your shield.
Need some help over here, they moved up. I only have 1 mag, so.
Conley. This taking forever.
That way. No, I mean,
Fuck, I got hit, someone better be back in the game.
Oh shit. I got you, man. I got you.
Well, he got me first. That's my first
Oh, who's
hit.
that? What's so good?
And I'm out of ammo anyway.
You're out of ammo. Don't come in.
He asked me if I was dead. Did you just say, Kate, are you dead?
Like just pounded it.
how do you think we went right there?
Are you dead?
Got me right in the
Yeah, he's dead.
He's dead.
right in the dome.
What up, go?
Oh, also, I didn't need to unload on that guy, but
You did.
Oh my fucking
Fuck
god.
this
Fucking
shit!
shoot me.
I'm out anyway, so
I'm
out of ammo.
well. I'm wounded, so.
No, I take 30.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Everybody down?
Well,
Yeah,
I'm out of ammo.
He's out of
so-
ammo.
Who's down? Who's down? Who's still up?
I'm dead.
Does it look like anyone's up? I'm out of ammo.
I'm dead. We're all dead.
You guys dead?
Stop shooting.
If no one's shooting,
Yes,
We're all
I'm dead.
dead.